Addon marketplace. Now this actually links out to our full marketplace, which we'll visit now. So if I click here, there we go. You can see everything we've got going on. So this is relatively new and it's still in beta. So a lot of developers are still adding things, and you can click the subcategories to see the frameworks, the plugins for RapidWeaver, projects, stacks, themes. Now we're just getting this off the ground, and we are going to add some more ways to search and dig down into the details, so you can really search and find what you want. But we've added on the back end, we've added a new works with feature. So I'm in the projects, and if I search for Foundry, it will show me all the projects that work with the Foundry framework, which is really handy, you know, because if you use Foundation or Foundry or UIKit, whatever framework you use, you should be able to now find projects that support that. So yeah, so I've gone for Foundry, and it's showing me all the projects that currently support Foundry. Now I can go in and see the details, and it tells me when it was released, and I can go and see a live preview, check out the screenshots, or go and buy it, and it shows me how many likes and comments it's got. Now this is sunk back to the community. So let's go and see the comments. So if I click on the comments, it's going to take me back to the community, back to the Addon marketplace, and straight to that add-on I was looking at, and I can see what comments have been made. I can make some more comments, see the ask questions about it, and hopefully the developers will answer that if you've got any questions. Yeah, so the Addon marketplace is a nice way, well, in the community, to keep up to date with what's released. So every time an add-on gets released or it gets updated, it will be posted here, and you can keep an eye on this to see what's new, what's going on. And in here, one of the nice things is you can also sort it, so you can see what's most popular, what has the newest activity on it, what has the most likes, and if you search by that, or switch to it, there you are. You can see it's reorganized this and showing us what's the most liked. I leave it on latest, and then I get to see what new things are released. So you can see that was, you know, released 2 hours ago. So that's real handy. Website showcase, a showcase of websites. You can submit your own website here. This will take you to a form if you want it listed in the gallery. We've got a backlog of websites to add to this, so over the coming weeks you should see a lot more sites added to here. And if you click into one of the things, you can see what it was made with, and you can also go and visit the live website. Yeah, and then you can comment and like that and ask questions about it. So that's that. RapidWeaver tutorials. If this loads, there we are. This is a collection of tutorials that we add to, and we're hoping to add a lot more videos into here, so keep an eye out for that. And again, you can just click into them, go and watch the video, learn more, take the link and go straight to YouTube. RapidWeaver experts, this is our list of people that have applied to be an expert. If you're an expert and you're watching this, let us know and we'll add you. So yeah, so you can click into it and you can find out a little bit more about what they do, visit their profile or contact them. So it's really handy if you're, you know, maybe you've got a big project, you got stuck. This is a great place. Go and find someone that could help you out. Now we'll move on to the categories. These are kind of like the areas you can chat, ask questions, etc. So say hello. When you first sign up, we ask people to go and, you know, post a note here and say hello, basically, and introduce yourself and let people know who you are. And it is a nice way to kind of get into the community. So you can do that there, and you can see lots of people have done that. Not everyone, you know, but yeah, it's nice to see, you know, who's on here and stuff like that. Campfire, this is kind of the place, anything goes really. You know, you might want to talk about the Mac, what you're doing. It's just talk about hobbies, anything. You know, if you just want to post an interesting link, you can do that. You know, I've posted one here, and this this post here was just an interesting blog article. Posted it to share with the community. You know, some people have chatted about it. Yeah, so that's the campfire area. Ask for help. Here you can got a problem with RapidWeaver or stacks, or you know, a project, etc. Or you're wondering, you know, how to build something. Ask a question in here. You can just post it, and we usually respond pretty quickly to this if we can help. We do like to make sure users get the help they need. Then report a bug, found an issue, post it in here, and yeah, we'll look into it, and can hopefully help you out, or call the developer whose product it is, and hopefully get them involved to help you out. So that's report a bug, give feedback, anything really in here with anything that's not a bug. So any feedback on the community or RapidWeaver. Yeah, it's just, you know, just feedback, post it here. That's the beta area, which you can sign up to join. At the moment, we're just posting RapidWeaver Classic betas. We hope to post RapidWeaver Element betas in here later in the year. This is pretty much open to anyone. So if you want to join, just you can just send us a message on the community, or email us. Yeah. It's but yeah, this is, you know, if you want to test out betas, that's the place to sign up to. Developer chat, here we post developer related things, so you can see, you know, we created a template for the marketplace to make it easier for developers to use, so you know, so they can create all the graphics they need and see the template a lot quicker. We got the, you know, we posted about the beta launch of the new marketplace, etc. So yeah, this is really developer stuff in there. Unless you're developing for RapidWeaver, you can probably ignore that. Then down here, we used to have the knowledge base in the community. We've moved it to something a bit more suitable. So now we've got links to the RapidWeaver manual. So if I click this, you can see it takes us over to, we're using a service called Gitbook, and this is really great, this service. So everything in here, we've got FAQs, what's new in Classic, upgrading your projects, registering RapidWeaver, building your first website. But we also cover publishing, features, so site badge. This is one of the new features in Classic, which we cover in here. And we go into details about how to customize it, and the CSS classes it uses, and some examples there to get you started. Yeah, so while the manual is not finished, it does cover a lot of things, and we're constantly adding to it. We've also got a how-to section. So, you know, it talks you through adding Google Analytics, editing an htaccess file, online CMS. So if you want to do that, it gives you links to some great solutions, keyboard shortcuts. Got a whole troubleshooting section, which is, you know, hopefully you won't need it, but when you do, you know, we've got information on how to diagnose an issue, reporting a bug, how to fix publishing issues, which is an important one. A lot of people seem to suffer with this. Well, I say a lot, not a lot of people, but when you do suffer with it, it's really frustrating. So you know, we tend to see posts from those people, and it's often just a misconfiguration. 99% of the time, it's just their servers being a bit finicky. But yeah, so anyway, so this runs through on how to fix those things and how to get help. Add-ons, you know, we've got explaining add-ons, classic page types, our premium themes, third-party apps you might find useful. So this is, the docs are pretty in-depth, and you know, we're adding to them every week. So it's a great resource, and you can obviously search for stuff in there, etc. We've got the RapidWeaver SDK, which is uses the same service, Gitbook, and this covers everything you need to know about building themes, plugins, and it will cover elements. This isn't quite as finished, but it's a start, and we'll be adding a lot to this. So yeah, so if you're a developer kind of interested, then you should look here. We also have marketplace docs, again with Gitbook, but this will tell you how to sign up for a developer account, how to list your add-ons and kind of what's required. We've also written a thing about marketing add-ons, because I think this is often overlooked, but we kind of, this goes through what we do and what you could do as a developer to kind of get more exposure. So yeah, so we're kind of fleshing out all the docs, and we're using this one service, and so far it's been really great. So that's that. We've got a download for RapidWeaver 8, a classic download, and a link to Chili Dog, who we recommend for hosting with. Yeah, so that's about it really. This is obviously the home area, and this will link. This kind of shows you an update of just new things that are coming in. It's kind of like your home feed, as it were. So that's it. This was really just a test stream to test out the software, see what the quality is like. And if this is good and you want to see more of these, let me know. I could do some kind of deep dives on RapidWeaver, you know, building projects, using features, stuff like that. Yeah, if you want to see me do more streams and kind of, you know, if you guys got questions, then I could answer them on here and work through building projects, etc. So, all right, that's it. Just a quick stream to test it, really. So, all right, hope you have a good week, and maybe I'll see you in another stream. All right, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.